Hey everyone, check out this amazing 9.5 quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven from Ailiboo. The heavy-duty design features a snug lid with drip bumps for self-basting. It seals in moisture, so your stews and braises turn out incredibly flavorful. The smooth enamel finish makes cooking and cleanup effortless every single time. Its premium cast iron core transfers heat evenly on any stove top. You can easily transition this versatile pot directly into the oven. It is the ultimate kitchen companion for your next family gathering. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.